Fleet managers are the unsung heroes of mobility. They oversee everything from fleet acquisition and maintenance to cost control and driver safety. Without fleet managers, fleet management would be a logistical nightmare. Their role isn't just about keeping vehicles on the road. Fleet managers juggle rising costs, manage driver compliance, and make sure that vehicles are being used smartly. They're constantly finding ways to reduce risk, improve operations, and save money. Why are fleet managers so important? Because a company's fleet is one of its most valuable assets. A well-run fleet reduces downtime, controls expenses, and makes sure that drivers can do their jobs properly. A fleet manager is the glue that holds all this together. So what is the future of fleet management? At Cardata, we see it as a hybrid model, with fleet managers leading the charge, but they'll embrace a combination of company-owned fleet vehicles and vehicle reimbursement programs like FAVR. This creates more flexibility, reduces liability, and maximizes efficiency. Cardata partners with fleet managers to provide the tools, insights, and flexibility needed for the future of mobility. Together, we help businesses run smarter, leaner, and more efficiently.